Hi guys, Mike Martin here. Right, I've just got off a Skype call to one of my clients, one of our members, a Lead Simplify client. He knows who he is, but he wouldn't do the video for us. So he basically has told me he doesn't mind me sharing his concepts as long as I don't mention what industry he's actually currently in. Super excited. I've jumped straight on to do this video for you. Basically, what he said to me, he said, when I've been doing these recent videos, which, as you know, I've been doing quite a lot of Lead Simplify videos, a lot of training, a lot of stuff like that recently, and we've got loads more coming. He said it inspired him to pick back up. He's had it since the beginning, since we very first launched it. He's always paid every single month. He's never used it. And he said a few weeks ago he started using it again, and he's making a lot of money using Lead Simplify and no website. Okay, so he's not using a website. So when he first told me, he said, we need to jump on a Skype call. I've got something to show you. I'm using Lead Simplify. I'm not using a website, and I'm making serious dough with it. So he's not told me his exact marketing strategy of how he does it with the paid advertisements, but he is using paid ads to do this. However, the one thing he did show me is exactly how he's done it. So let's say we're targeting any industry. I won't use his. I'll just use one of the forms that we've already got built in here. Let's have a quick look. Right, let's have a look what this one looks like. So, for example, let's say we're using Facebook ads. Facebook ads seems to be the best for creating a profit using a form. Obviously, you can use Google AdWords with the high-end stuff like loans and things like that. But obviously, if you're going after somebody and you want to break down their demographics right the way down to age, income, where they live, all the rest of that crazy stuff, then obviously Facebook advertising is probably the best one out there. Let me just grab one of these forms because I'm not going to go into too much detail about all this. I just want to show it you. I'm going to edit the form so it's going to look good. Right, so basically what he's doing, so let's put a header in here. Okay. And let's say we're doing a comparison. So compare 3 local boiler repair quotes or something like that. I'm not going to, I'll just turn your phone off, sorry guys. Sorry about that. Right, so let's say this. I'm not going OTT with it all. Compare 3 local boiler repair quotes as an example. And we're just going to pretend that this is a boiler repair form. And if we've got page breaks in, we have. Okay. Right, what we're then going to do is we're going to go up to toggle and style. And we're going to put the background color as black. And we're going to put body text color as white. That's perfect. Okay. Oh, God, I hope I've not got this on a website. No, I haven't. This is the demo system. I was just panicking then. Right, so it looks something like that, right, which doesn't look great. He said, but he was watching the videos and he's seen me show this here, open the iframe so you can actually have a look and see what it is, and you can actually share that URL. Right, well, as you all know, 70% of all traffic comes through mobile phones, yep? 70% of all traffic, probably more if you're on Facebook, probably more. It's probably closer to 80% now. So 80% of traffic goes through mobile phones. Now we can easily set it up so that our advertisements only show on mobile phones. We can do that with Google Ads, we can do that with Facebook, we can do it with pretty much all sorts of stuff. So he's shown me his industry. Now you're gonna have to be creative with your own industries and stuff like that, but I thought straight away I need to record this to show people. So if we go over here on this little website, this just shows what it's gonna look like, right? So on a desktop it looks crap. Okay, now we can probably change that further down the line. So what he's doing is he's using this URL here, the URL there, that one, and he's sending ads straight to the form. And that's it. They're just going straight to his form. He's putting a header, he's putting a notification, wherever he wants to write in paragraphs of like, you must agree to this, or let's go back over here and say for example, excuse me, let's just add a paragraph to the bottom by clicking that. Oh, what have I done? Oh, there's the paragraph. Okay, so just edit the paragraph and say like, by submitting this form, you agree to X, Y, Z, blah, 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 and all that stuff. So you can add anything you want into this form and it'll look absolutely cool when it goes into a mobile phone. And as you can see, it works on all forms of mobile phones. And he's sending traffic direct to the form from his straight from his Lead Simplify system, and he's only doing mobile advertising, and he's making really, really good money. Just a quick video, guys, not planned, so as you can see, I'm stuttering. I just thought I better share this with people straight away because it's an absolutely awesome way to make money using just Lead Simplify and nothing else. I won't go through the whole sales process and how it works. You can watch my other videos to see how that you automate the sales and everything else if you're not already a Lead Simplify user. But using that, sending it straight to the form, automate the distribution and the sale of all your leads instantly, so that obviously most of your lead generation company is completely automated and all you have to think about is generating more leads, which this automates that process. It's just an automatic business model. All right, guys, thought it was worth a share, so I thought I'd do a video instead of doing a post on Facebook. All right, guys, thanks very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.